welcome back to DevOps Talks that we're currently running in Sydney. I'm here with Andrew, who's just very recently given us an amazing talk. Andrew, how did your talk go? How are you feeling?
That was great, thank you. Yeah, really enjoyed it. Good audience today.
Yep.
I think they understood the message and really got the point that data can be a big bottleneck in organisations' DevOps pipelines, and Delphix is a great way to solve that challenge.
Great. Did you want us to tell us a little bit more about yourself and the company that you work for?
Yeah, sure. Andrew Hinde, I've been working with Delphix for a bit over 18 months now. From a platform perspective, we help remove that data bottleneck, and usually we work with large enterprise organisations who have big data assets, and those data assets take a really long time to get through development pipelines. And people leave, they typically automate code, they automate the infrastructure, but they leave the data bit until the end. And that is often what's really slowing down developers and testers and QA teams today, is just having to wait for that data.
And how does Delphix help solve that problem? What does it do in terms of automation?
Okay, so we continuously ingest data from production sources, and we make that data safe through masking and delivering realistic fictitious data for the end users to work with. So there's no chance of a data breach, no chance of any ransomware issue or any of those sorts of challenges that some organisations have faced recently. We make that data safe and then deliver it so that they can really instantly get to the data that they want. So I had a reasonably recent example with an Australian bank. Is they used to take around about 10 to 15 days to deliver sets of data to their developers who needed to do a test run. And then once the developers and testers do that test run, they change the data, they needed another refresh. So it's another 10 to 15 days.
Yeah.
With Delphix now they can do that with one click or as part of their DevOps pipeline. So it's incredibly fast, and it just takes a couple of minutes to spin that up.
Okay, that's amazing. It's a lot of time saving. And so for anybody else who is interested, how would they go about learning more or getting involved?
Yeah, so they can go to delphix.com. That's a really good starting point. Lots of valuable resources there. You can also contact me on LinkedIn, or you can grab my details from the conference.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much, and thank you for your time at the presentation and for being here today in Sydney.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.